Hey, what's up everybody? Aubrey Trades here with another pre-market watch list. We're going to go over the top names that I got my eye on this market open. A lot of holdover from yesterday. I'm still going to keep an eye on BTZI, which on a 15-minute time frame looks very good and looks like it's setting up for a continued move upward possibly. You see we kind of consolidated around here near the highs all yesterday. So we're going to be watching that. Perhaps this gives us a little bit of a dip at the open and bounces off support off of this $10 or a 10-cent range. High relative volume yesterday and the day before. So we're going to keep an eye on that one. GGII opened the door to a panic, fading, dropping into the close, almost flirting with that red to green level. And, we'll see if the panic at the open takes us for another bounce off of the 1 cent mark. I'd be a little wary that this was going to clock a head and shoulders and the bounce wouldn't go much higher than 1.2, but that's still a 20% gain, so we will be keeping an eye on that. Also, PROG still hanging around those highs. Here in the pre-market, you can see in this bottom corner. After hours hit a high of 319, now hovering around 316, 317 spread, pretty heavy ask, but lots of green prints coming in. This may be continuous high, I think so. We can see here on the volume profile on the side, we're kind of in this chop. I would expect 390 is going to be tough. I mean, we got one touch here. This was support here. It's going to be choppy. I'm not crazy about it, but it is worth watching, and it looks like it's going to make the move. I mean, here we are at those aftermarket highs. Oh man. If this does the thing where it pops off, but while in pre-market, that's going to make me so sad. CBTC also fading into the close. Bitcoin's kind of chopping around at the highs right now, so I'm not crazy about the Bitcoin plays, but you could look for this area at 1.1 cents to hold support. Look at this dip at the open, see if we want to get a retest up into this 1.2 1.3 range. WTRH, impressive. I mean, this wasn't pretty, right? You had the nice morning spike, then you fell beneath VWAP, rubbed up against it, faded into the close, but we did gap up in pre-market here, hanging around 150s, which tells me that there's still a buyer somewhere around here. Like, there's a distinct interest in holding this 145-ish breakout level. So we're gonna keep an eye on this for continuation. Maybe this just chops around for the day. A red to green move would be cool. A weak open red to green. We'll keep an eye on that. S4, another OTC name, had a nice ramp up yesterday. Looks like it's going to gap up this morning. We got a print here at 11 cents. Let's take a look at that daily chart. Very clean, very good chart. We'll see if this has a continuation move. It's tough to tell. I mean, this was good volume. We had this volume here. So this gave us a day 2 move and a day 3 move back when it had a similar level of volume. So it's, it stands to reason. But again, I feel like we might be coming up on this range right here at 12 cents. I think is going to be tough. At 12 cents, it feels like it's going to be a little rough. So we'll see. Just watching that one. I'm not super crazy about it, but I mean, this looks so clean, so good. But that resistance overhead, not super sure. ALYI is another one. This had a really good day here. beware of this resistance at 3.1 cents. It's a little ways away, but you know, it topped out yesterday right under 3 cents, so I'm not really sure. Maybe you get a dip on this. Maybe this wants to retest that this range, 2.5, for, you know, a continuation. And remember, we have been seeing these these long reversals happen like closer to the hour, like the first hour of the day, and then you get the move up. It's been a lot slower moving. MMWWC, still a bunch of nothing, huh? Yeah, this is almost getting to a no play. I mean, here, this is support. So for today, I'm thinking first green day bounce, but if it fails, no thank you. Like here, boom, boom, tried to hang. I don't like that it broke this low here, right? This is not super great, but you know, maybe it reclaims this 9.3 and gives us a bounce. Maybe this is like a big flag and then it clears new highs. Who knows? Honestly, I'd love to see a PR or something, which I don't think we can get. That's okay. And AHFD looks like it's kind of rolling over now at this point. This might be the top-ish, for at least for the time being. I'm gonna keep this here just to so I can see when we break this downtrend if we want to continue higher. Remember, we got the all-time highs at 0.0069. Lol. And then before we get out of here, I'm gonna throw up a couple interesting breaking news potential plays. CWRK, Currency Works announces Moto Club Elite pack drop for this NFT series in Vegas. So I'm gonna be looking for the NFT news. It's a hot sector. It's one of my favorite sectors. And right now it seems like the crypto NFT penny stocks are running. So we're gonna keep an eye on this one. Resistance at 73. We'll keep an eye on that level. This wants to give us a spike. And then what else? We got SFLM was another interesting potential breaking news. They signed an artist for the creation of a digital artwork to bolster the company's emerging NFT auction portfolio. And then we got WSIG, another potential breaking news play. Easy NFT adds emerging artist, blah blah blah, to their roster. Easy NFT division provides diverse opportunities to invest in the NFT space. We'll work with Edwin to bring a stunning portraiture, blah 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 blah. Okay, so this is less exciting. So they signed a new artist to their portfolio. I need, like, you know, are they making a mining rig is easy to get behind because you see how it's going to generate revenue. Signing an artist seems more like a Hail Mary. I don't know if that's going to get all the excitement of the previous two, but worth looking at. And ISW8, Ishwish has another press release. They announced phase 1 of 200 MW Southeastern U.S. cryptocurrency mining project nears completion. So their phase 1 nears completion. Nice little double bottom here at 227. Maybe this continues higher. I mean, we got a gap up print here at 298, so we'll see. Anyway, that's all I got for this morning. Thanks so much for watching. If you got value out of this video, please hit that like button. Helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Consider subscribing and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what tickers you're watching. If you want some TA, throw it down there, and I'll put it up in the next video. As always, stay safe out there. Happy trading. I'm Aubrey. I'll see you in the next video.